Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pie chart from filter data. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data, order ID and total price. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and select the 2D pie chart, and here you can see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size of pie chart, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of pie chart. You can see in horizontal showing the order ID, and in the total price showing here the title, and pie chart is created as per the total price. Okay. Suppose I'm going to filter some data in my data. So I just select the first cell and use here the filter. Shift Ctrl L to apply the filter. Then I click on this arrow. Here you can see in horizontal in pie chart order number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, everything is showing. When I filter some order ID, I filter here 4, 5, 6, 7 and deselect others and click on OK. So here you can see only the visible data showing in pie chart 4, 5, 6, 7, and here also the total price, the four slice is showing here, okay, as per the total price. Okay, so this is a way you can filters data and you can see the pie chart also accordingly changed as per your filters data. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.